Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today guys, I want to show you guys how to sign up for Bybit crypto app. You know why? I have a video I want to show you on how to make money with Bybit, and this is very easily profitable. But before making that video for you guys, I just feel like you guys need to have account with Bybit first. If you don't have account with Bybit, there is no way you watch that video that you will be able to understand and cope. But if you have account already, when I'm making that video or when I release the video, this will be easier for you to understand, so that when I'm explaining this now, you will understand how I'm moving the step before you make money. So please guys, make sure you sign up for Bybit right now and let's make money together, guys. No time to waste time. So I want to show you now, but before I go on to show you that video again, I still repeat, you have to sign up for Bybit now, and I will show you those secrets. All right, and I will drop the link. That's my referral link. It's going to be in the comment section here. I'll pin it there, and in the description to this video I'll drop the link. Benefit you have with that link is that if you use my referral link to sign up, you'll be given reward immediately. So guys, before we move further on this now, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a like on this video, and turn up the notification bell. You know why? If you don't do some of these things now, YouTube algorithm will not show you my video anytime I post on YouTube. And if you're watching from other social media, also make sure you do the same, so that all the social media algorithm will be showing you my subsequent video, next video, anytime I post it. So without further ado guys, let's go. So when you click on my referral link now, it will take you to this interface. All right, so the next thing to do now is, do you want to use email to sign up for this, or you want to use your phone number? If you want to use email, just so simple, put your email here, put the password, my referral code is here automatically, and tick this place, then click on create account. Just so simple. Another method is for you to use your phone number. Click here now. If it's not showing +234, for instance, if you're from Nigeria here, make sure this is your country code. And if you're not seeing your country code here, just come here now and look for your country. Either you're from Nigeria, now put it here. Then from here now, you can put your phone number here, put your password, and this, make sure this one is showing, because this is what make you to get reward. Okay, and tick this one and click on create account. That is second method. And the third method is for you to use some of this to sign up. Use your Google account, your Apple or Telegram to sign up. That's also easy. Now let me use email, but before I go further on this, before I use email to sign up, guys, should be case you try to access this website using your browser and it's redirecting you, or like it's not accessible, that means your IP is being compromised by Bybit. And don't forget, this happens in Nigeria a lot. I don't know about other countries. If you're facing this difficulty, what you do, if you have been watching my video before, you know how I used to turn off my VPN. It's just so simple. Go to anywhere here and search for Zenmate. So you can see now I search for Zenmate VPN extension. So me, I like Zenmate because I've tested some VPN online, and I see that Zenmate is doing fine for me. For now, Zenmate is doing fine. So you can come here now, and this first one you see here now, just tap on it. Oh great. Now from here now, then you will see add to Chrome instead of remove from Chrome. What you will see is add to Chrome. But if you're using your mobile phone, this is just so simple. Go to Play Store or Apple Store, look for VPN. You can also search for Zenmate VPN and use it. Install it on your phone. Anytime you want to use VPN, then turn it on. Just so simple. I have it already on my phone. What I'll do here now is to click on it now. You see it from here, free VPN, and I will click on I'll tap on this center. So you see 1 2 3 4, so it's on already. You can also confirm by clicking here. Just go to world.net. Oh great. Now through world.net now, it makes me to know that I'm still using Germany IP. So let's go back, guys. So guys, now this is where we were, right? So I'll put my email here now. Let me quickly sign up so that we can quickly finish this. So what I'm doing here now, you see I use the email. Make sure you use the valid email address, okay? And look at this place now. Password, I put a password. Referral code, make sure it's showing. All right, this is my referral code, capital RWWXQOL, everything in capital letter, okay? And make sure this place is ticked. Now click on create account. Okay, now let's drag this. They want to do is intelligent verification or something like that. Now drag this to this. You see, so this is the same image. Just bring the I'm trying to explain, so it made mistake. So this is one image and this another one. I would not drag the left one to the right to meet this and be the same shape. Oh, I get it this time. I got it. So the next thing is verification. They say please enter the verification code sent to. So put this is the email address I use, right? This is just a domain account I want to create, so that to let you see how it works. So let me go and check my inbox. Make sure you check your inbox or spam folder so as to get this message sent to you. Oh great. Now look at it now. I've seen it. This is 231440. Copy. Now come here, paste. Oh great. Enjoy your $20 welcome reward. Just like that, you get your $20. All right, so you get your $20. So now click on claim up to $20, up to 20 USDT. Choose your reward. Okay, so from here now 20 USDT now. So which means if I would complete this one, complete identity verification, that is a level 1. So I'm going to get this amount. So what I will do now is, and I have what, 6 days 23 hours plus left to do this. If not, they will not give me this amount of money. So which means you have to do verification as soon as possible. So I'll click on go. So from here now, you see they say complete identity verification standard now. Proof of identity. Please submit a copy of your identity verification document along with a selfie that clearly shows your face. So I'll click on verify. All right, and it will take me there. But I will advise you this, because I'm talking based on experience. It's good if you continue this using your mobile phone. It's good is good if you continue this using your mobile phone. So what will happen is you can go to, since you have signed up already successfully, you remember your email, your password. You can go to your this thing now. Let me quickly show you from here now. Let's see, so that you can continue from here. So before I will show you on my phone here now, because I prepared it down to my phone, let me quickly show you, because should be in case you don't have everything, the documents you need to do the verification. You have to verify your account. Okay, should be in case you come back later. So here is the home page, right? You can come here like this. You see, when I put it here on this images avatar, what will I call this one here now? So from here now, you will go to account and security here. Click on it. So from here now, you can see, so things we have to set, all these things you have to work on it, and look at the identity verification. So you can also continue from here and click on verify now. Okay, so let me continue using the mobile phone, guys. So now when successfully logged in using my mobile phone, this is the home page. You can see how it's displaying. All right, so the next thing to do is, you see, even from here we can see complete identity verification level 1. You can see, let me show you here. Are you guys seeing it now? So from here now, let me continue this way. So easily I can continue from here, as you can see, and I can also do this one. When I showed you on my laptop, this is the image avatar I click, then I think clicking it also will also show you, oh sorry, it's not here. Okay, I think it should be this one. Using mobile phone, it should be here. So click on this one here. Now from here now we can see identity verification. This is it here, guys. So I have 2 means of getting there. All right, so let me start from here now. Let me click on this one here. I want to tap here now so that I can continue. So tap on it. So after reading everything, now click on verify now. So I think we are still seeing that our account is unverified. Are you seeing from here? So now I see complete identity verification standard now. I think that was what we saw then, right? When I was using this, my laptop. Now using this phone now, you will now tap on this first one, verify, click it. So now they say verify your identity. Due to insufficient phone memory, you may not be able to complete this verification process. If you encounter any problem, click here to copy the link and use the computer to access Bybit where to continue the verification process. You know what? I'm recording this now, and so my phone now, they see that I don't have much space on my phone, so that's what they detected. Now this is what happened. Location is Nigeria, and meanwhile, let me warn you, if you're using your mobile phone, don't turn on VPN. You don't use VPN for this. For mobile phone, is why you are using VPN when you are using our PCs, because I don't know, when you use PC, it's going to compromise the IP, and if you know reason behind that, you can drop it for me in the comment box. But if you are using your mobile phone, just use it freely. They don't compromise your IP. All right, so now the first one you do is recommended, use BVN. Now tap on it's even selected for you, BVN. If you're from Nigeria, you won't tell me that you don't have VPN, and if you're watching me from any other countries, you can't tell me that you don't have a valid ID card or driving license or international passport or any resident permits, anyone. So just click on it. But if you're from Nigeria, this is recommended. Based on my own country now, they even say recommended here. So and it's already ticked. Now the next thing now is to click on. You can read the requirement from here anyways. So now I will click on this. Button, confirm. Then you click on allow. Now I'm a resident of or live in all country except USA, United States of America. So you click on this one. That is for me as I'm in Nigeria. All countries except USA. All right. Then click on continue. So verify your identity, profile details, verify and complete your personal information or selfie. So it's optional. Anyone you want to take, is it selfie or this? I may not be able to continue from, I have an account already, and this thing, it has to do with your face, which I have an account already. There's no way I can deceive them. All right. But I just want to show you so that you know how to do that. So let me click on this. Okay, it's there. Now click on continue. So verify and complete your personal information. Country, Nigeria, right? No problem. Now BVN, now this is where you put your BVN. When you put your BVN, if you are from there, you can't tell you don't know what VPN is, all right? When you put your VPN, then the last name is your surname. Last name is your surname, all right? So put your surname there. Now click on continue. So at this juncture now, I may not be able to pass this stage because I don't have anyone that can use their BVN to use this. So I believe you can do that and you will get it right. Please, if you are really enjoying this, and don't forget, I'm showing you this also to prepare you to have your Bybit account. Then the next video, I'm going to show you how to make money. Cool money, cool, legit money. Okay, so let's say you have done that. Then the next thing, let me quickly go back and see other things I need to show you that you have to do on your phone. Let me quickly show you. When verified, then the next thing is, let's come here. Let me see. Okay, click on this again. Yes, very important. Don't let me forget. Click on this settings now. This is settings icon, I think. So when you click on it now come to currency display. Okay, come to currency display here. You can change this to Nigeria. This currency display. That is if you're from Nigeria. So you can change this to Nigeria here. Look for Nigeria, or if there's any search button here. So this is NGN, Nigeria. I've changed it. This is Nigeria. Okay. Now the next thing is, let's go to security. Now this is security. You have to set this. Very, very important, guys. Please click on this security. Now you have to go and turn on your this one, Google 2FA authentication. All right, Google 2FA authentication. You have to turn it on. Very important. Let me show you again. This one, yes, you have to turn it on. So I'll click on this now. Now it's turned on. Send the verification code to this. So send the verification code to, so I think they have sent me the verification code just to be sure that the owner of this account now, I want to turn on the Google authentication right on this. So let me check the email. So 002869. Oh, my phone is misbehaving. Let me stop it there. Maybe I will continue from, it's okay here now. I will continue from here. So let me quickly show you. I think using that one, you know how to get to this place, right? So you don't have problem with that. So let me come here now and continue. I will say let me see where I was. Okay, here, let me click on this account and security. I think I was here, right? Okay. It's on the same place. It's just that I did not see it clearly. Now, this is where I was. We're using my mobile phone. So now I will come here now, click on Google two-factor authentication. Now click on settings here, just like how I did it on the mobile phone. So they said they have sent me code. Let me go and check. So here is the code sent to me now. Let me copy it, then I paste it here. Okay, great. Now look at it now. They say set up Google factor authentication. This is very important. Any app you are using, make sure you lock it with this Google factor authentication. Very, very important. I'm just trying to show you how to do that here. So here now I say Google 2FA code. So this now, what you would do, you have option either to copy this. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Or maybe I will have to make a special video on that. Or oh god, I think, okay, let me see if I can just manage to do that. Go to your YouTube, go to your Play Store and search for Google Authenticator. All right, let me just explain it here. And if you don't understand it, you can tell me in the comment box to make a special video on that for you, and I'll be happy to do that based on request. For so many people requesting for this, I'll do that. But let me quickly explain. You can go through your mobile phone now, go to Google, your Play Store, Apple Store now, search for Google Authenticator. When you have it on your phone, you log into it now. So you can now click on the plus. There's going to be plus sign there. Whenever you click on that plus, that means you have one particular app you want to secure. So when you tap on it now, you have option either to screenshot this QR code or to copy this link, copy it and input it there on your phone. There's space for it. Once you put it there and click on, you see add or something like that. When you add it, boom, it's going to give you code. I don't know, maybe you used to see code or like that. That code is what you are coming to put here. Okay, here. Once you put that code here, they know that the code you get from that your phone, you have connected them. Once you put it there and click on confirm, then boom, it's logged. So anytime you want to do transaction now, you can, if you like, you can use that authentication that if you want to send money, they should request for code, and you can only get it through your phone just to secure your money. You secure anything you are doing online, all right? And if you want to log in, if you want to do this anything, so just to secure your account. What else do I need to tell you with this? If there's anything I'm missing, please let me know in the comment box. As you can see from here, they say your account security level is low. Please set up the following as soon as possible. So it's very, very important. So far so good. Now I believe you have your account ready, and get ready for the next video coming up. And don't worry, you are going to have access to everything. Next video coming up on this is how to make money with it. Get your account ready right now. Verify everything, get it ready. Please, if you are very new to my YouTube channel or watching me from Facebook or any other social media, make sure you follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you like this video, drop your comment, turn on the notification bell if you want to be seeing more of my video, because Facebook or YouTube algorithm will see that you have interest in my tutorials. Thank you guys, I love you. Do you have interest in more crypto like this? Just anything I promised you about crypto, you want to learn it? If you have interest, I have everything. Just click on this, you will see all those videos. All right, and this video, I promise you that the next one here now. And do you have interest in business grants? Yes, you need money, business grants. I have it here. I want you guys to go and watch it. This is the video. I promise you, go and watch this video. Thank you guys, I love you. See you guys in my next videos.